Hey sunshine, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liza Jane and some of you may also know me as Liza Locks. I wanted to address something that I'm seeing a lot of chatter about, and that is with how the world is right now. People are concerned about their locks, especially people that are essential workers right now. For the people that are on the front lines, working in the grocery stores, healthcare workers, people delivering mail, all these people that are out in the world and they have dreadlocks and they're concerned about the virus. And I am no scientist. I do not claim to know if the virus could attach to our locks or not. Sometimes though, I think that giving yourself the comfort of knowing that you've done all you can do is kind of half the battle, to be honest with you. And if this makes you feel better, I think there's something to be said about peace of mind. I want to show you ways that you can cover your dreadlocks easy. Now these are wrap styles and I am no expert at wraps. So these are very simple ways you can cover your locks, and I hope they are helpful to you. Please let me know in the comments if they have been. Also let me know if this is a concern of yours. Are you worried about it? How do you feel about it? I would love to know. Let's open discussion in the comments. But for now, let's go ahead and get started and cover those locks. I tried several different wraps that I actually have at home, and the jersey, the one with a little bit of stretch to it, almost like a t-shirt feel made of cotton, was the easiest for me to work with. I tried lots of different materials and this one just seemed to work the best to pull snug, and it just felt good. But you can use any kind of cloth that you have laying around. This one, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 feet of it. I've seen people use tablecloths, I've seen people use curtains. Whatever you have around, you can use, even just a piece of fabric. So let me show you a few different ways that you can do this. The first way I want to show you, you're just going to put your locks behind your back. And you are going to take your wrap. I'm sorry, if you see me doing this, it's because there's a mirror behind my camera and it's a little tricky for me to see. You want to make sure it is even, and then what you're going to do is you're going to lay it flat on your head and you are going to pull it behind your head. I don't like my ears covered, so go ahead and tuck that behind your ears, and all I'm going to do is tie just one knot underneath my head. It's just as simple like the start of tying your shoes. You're just crossing and knotting. Your arms are gonna get tired if you're practicing along with me. So then we have our 2 strands like this. And I'm just going to adjust here so it's comfortable. And then I'm going to take one side and I'm going to wrap it around, and then I'm going to come around here and I'm going to simply find a place to tuck it. Where it feels nice and snug. Then I'm going to take my locks. I'm just going to kind of do like a quick bun, because all I'm doing is then taking them and tucking them in this section of fabric. You're just pushing them in, and then you can take the end of the fabric and kind of tuck it under your hair. So see, it is all covered there. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this end. You can just pull it around here. You're gonna take it over here and you're simply gonna tuck it wherever It feels good. I just stuck it in there. This feels absolutely solid. It's not going anywhere. I think this would be great for a healthcare worker that already maybe has their hair covered with a paper hat, but because you're changing it so often, this will keep it easier so that it's already wrapped up. You put your paper hat on, you're good to go. I think it's actually kind of cute, and it is super snug, super comfortable. It is not going anywhere. So this was a super easy wrap style, and it is going to protect your hair. There is none showing. If there is, just go ahead and tuck those pieces in, no worries. Oh, see, there was a little one. Just tuck it in. So now that we have done that one, you're gonna pull it all out. This one we're gonna do a low bun. So however that is comfortable on you, I'm just gonna show you how I do a low bun. I just take it, cuff it around, whip it this way. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is gonna be covered and it's not gonna show. Then I like to take a nice thick band, wrap it around here. You could use a spiral lock, whatever your preference is to wrap your hair in or put it back, that's what you're going to use. Then you are going to make sure that your sides of your wrap are equal, and you are going to put this over your head, just like this. Tuck it behind your ears. Come around this way. Crisscross in the back, just like this. And then I'm going to take this part and I'm going to put it over those locks. So see, I just covered them up as much as I can. And then I'm going to take this part and I'm going to tuck it under my bun. And then you have your two ends. And all you're going to do is you're going to twist these ends just like this all the way to the end, and you can do these one at a time. And then you're going to take this and you are going to wrap it around that bun. When you get to the end, you simply just tuck it into itself. And we're going to take the other side. This also is a really comfortable style. It is a low bun. There's not a lot of stress on the top of your head. Obviously, when you do these styles, you want to pick the position that's easiest for you, easiest on your shoulders, your head. What is a normal style that isn't going to bug you during a whole, shift at work? So now we have this. We're going to do the same thing. Feel a little coming out here. I'm just going to tuck it. Tuck it into itself. But it's important to find a style that is comfortable for you and then adapt your wrap to that style. Now I can still feel I have a little up here. Just tuck it into itself. Now that you're nice and secure with those wraps around it, you can pull that through and make sure it's snug, that there's nothing showing. This isn't going anywhere. This is gonna be nice and secure. You're gonna feel like your hair is protected. I'm just gonna show you that one more time. This one, we are going to do a bun on the top of your head. So whatever is comfortable, that is what I want you to do. Whatever lock style is easiest for you. Of course, I will show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna flip my head over. It's going to look like I'm starting a bun. All I'm doing is that. I'm gonna take the ends. This is a nice comfy style to me. I'm gonna take these, cross them so they are knotted. they're a mess, it doesn't matter. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna have 2 equal sides, and then you are going to take this so now that you have it right in the front and it's pulled over here, all you're gonna do is you're gonna crisscross in the back, and you want to make sure that these are open, just like that. And then you are going to take these, and you can go ahead, adds a little bit of style to twist it all the way down. Twist it like that. Let's twist the other side. All you're doing is tucking it into yourself, making sure that this top part is tucked in so that your hair is protected. And then you can simply style it, look in the mirror, fix it, to your liking. Again, I'm just playing with these styles. I'm just playing with showing you the cloth and how it can move and what you can do with it. And you need to find out what works for you, what makes your head feel secure, what makes your mind feel secure, and go from there. Of course, I had to do just a fun updo with a wrap. Has no protection whatsoever for your hair, but it is a lot of fun. And I will include that at the end of my video if you'd like to check that out. If you do have to leave your home to go grocery shopping, to go to work, your locks will be as protected as we possibly can make them, I hope. Maybe this gave you some peace of mind. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday and Thursday. You can also find me on Instagram, Liza_locs. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe.